Michelle here. I'm going to show you how to install your Kooper rain cover on your Kooper stroller. Here's your rain cover. You'll notice that one side is super long and one side is not. It's Velcro. So you'll want to put the long side in the front, like this. See how that fits right there over the canopy. There are two Velcro straps on each side that you can wrap around the frame to secure it. Then here on the side, there's Velcro strips right here, so you can just line those up, close them up. It covers your organizer. It works with the canopy out and the tray on.